Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to draw Charlie Morningstar. We'll begin by sketching a large circle, which will serve as the foundation for her head. Next, gently add a curved line beneath the circle to define her jawline and chin, giving her face its distinct shape. Finally, draw light cross-section guidelines across the face to help accurately position her eyes, nose, and mouth later on. This simple start makes the whole process much easier. Now, let's bring Charlie's face to life. Begin by sketching her two large, expressive eyes, making sure they convey her cheerful personality. Place her small, slightly upturned nose right in the center of the face, just above the mouth line. Then, draw her signature wide, friendly smile, which is a key part of her character. Remember to keep your lines light for easy adjustments as you go. Moving on, let's tackle Charlie's iconic hair and neck. Outline her voluminous, layered blonde hair, paying attention to its flowing shape and the way it frames her face. Next, draw her small, delicate neck, ensuring it connects smoothly to the head and shoulders. Don't forget to add her signature small horns on top of her head, which are a crucial detail for her character. These elements really define her look. Finally, let's complete Charlie's outfit and add the finishing touches. Sketch her distinctive jacket, along with her neat bow tie and shirt collar, paying attention to the details. Once you're happy with the overall drawing, carefully refine all your lines, making them darker and more confident, then gently erase any initial sketch lines or guidelines. For more drawing tips and other great deals, check the description below, and remember to stay hydrated while you create. You've done a fantastic job bringing Charlie to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.